وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
While reciting the first quarter of Para 13, many Hafaz experience a moment of doubt. Should it be Walamma or Falamma? This is a common hesitation, but after deep research I have found a structured solution to this concern. Walamma or occurs 6 times in the first quarter of chapter 13. Falamma, this is 13 times. However, confusion arises in 4 specific ayahs, where both words appear in close succession. Let's break it down. In we find Yusuf 12:59, Walamma jahawzahum bi jahazihim. Then just a little later in we see Yusuf 12:70, Falamma jahawzahum. Similarly in Ruku 3 we have Yusuf 12:69, Walamma dakalu al-Yusufa awa ilahi akahu. And then in Ruku 4, Yusuf 12:99, Falamma dakalu al-Yusufa awa ilahi abawahi. Notice the pattern? Each set follows the same order. First Walamma, then Falamma. This simple rule will help you avoid confusion and recite with confidence. For answers to such intricacies of different ayahs in the Holy Quran, don't forget to get your copy of. This book is a must-have for Hufaz, guiding them through such delicate memorization challenges. May Allah bless our efforts in preserving His book with perfection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Quranic memorization tips.